Edo State First Lady don give copies of violence against persons prohibition law to Judiciary. The First Lady of Edo State, Her Excellency Betty Obaseki, don give copies of the violence against persons prohibition law to the Chief Judge of Edo State, Honourable Justice Joe Wacha. Oga Governor wife wen go the Chief Judge office with the Commissioner for Gender and Social Development, Maria Adeko Esquire, present this law when Oga Governor sign on the 17th of June 2021. and Costi tok say the law na to assist Judiciary to do their work well.
A high sense of responsibility and copies of the Edo State Rap Law to you, the Lord, for circulation to all of the judges in the state to enable them as a tool to help them carry out their duties in this regard. Thank you very much for your support.
Thank you very much.
The Chief Judge of Edo State come praise the First Lady, talk say she dey do her work and say the Judiciary go continue to partner with government.
We want to thank the First Lady for your commitment, your concern for the welfare of the less privileged in our society, particularly the vulnerable ones, which this law seeks to protect. I want to assure you that Judiciary is there for you. You are doing much more than is expected of you by taking the trouble to get this law printed and bringing it to us for our work and for our operation. I assure you that we partner with you. We also want to appeal to you that, as was done in October last year, that you continue to assist us with seminars so that we get used to this. And we are also in the process of drafting practice direction for the implementation of this law. And as you have always done, you are not only the mother of the state, but we have identified you as an ambassador of the Judiciary for all you have been doing for us, the way you have been talking with His Excellency to see that our needs are met, and that focus is also put on the Judiciary. We want to thank you because my years in the Judiciary for about 20 years now. This is the first time I'm seeing the First Lady of the state coming to visit us in the Judiciary. So we want to thank you for your simplicity.
This law will help the Judiciary fight violence against women and children for the state. Matthew Ajakaye, TMC TV News.